friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to make you a very delicious dragon fruit
crepe cake
that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have the dragon fruit, the pulp of the dragon fruit, vanilla paste, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, eggs, milk. These are the ingredients to make the crepes here at home. The holidays are here. Let's impress our families with this delicious and amazing crepe cake made of dragon fruit. So let's get started.
I want to start here with half of the pulp of a dragon fruit. I'm adding it to my blender and I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and blend it very good. I want to obtain of the dragon fruit. But you know something? We're going to put it through a sifter because we don't want none of the seeds. So I'm just going to sift. I'm going to make sure that all the seeds stay behind, but at the same time, I take all the delicious flavor of the dragon fruit. This is a very delicious fruit, and this is an organic fruit from my garden. You already know me. I like to crack my eggs one by one to make sure that they don't come out bad. So I'm doing one by one at a time, adding it directly to the mixture of the dragon fruit. Here, I'm going to add the granulated sugar, the pinch of salt, 1 drop of vanilla paste, and you could really smell the vanilla. This is such a delicious cake that I know you guys are going to love. The holidays are around the corner, and let's impress our families. Let's make a dragon fruit crepe cake at home. And here I'm just mixing, making sure that the eggs really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. The sugar gets nice and dissolved. And now I'm ready to add the all-purpose flour. I'm gonna be mixing for just 3-4 minutes until everything is completely incorporated. Just like this. I like to do it this way so you don't get no lumps of dough of the all-purpose flour in the mixture. Now I'm adding the milk and I'm just mixing and mixing for another 3 minutes, and then I'm just gonna let it rest for at least 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. While I get my pan ready, I'm adding just a couple drops of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna remove them with a napkin. I just want to coat the pan on the bottom and on the sides, and I'm using 1/4 of a cup of the mixture. Look at this. Just move it around, and you know when you need to flip it. When you start seeing those little bubbles popping up, that means that it's time to flip your crepe. I'm gonna do one by one, and I have a plate here ready so I could start transferring it one by one. Look at this. You could see the little bubbles. It's time to flip. And this is what I'm going to continue doing for the rest of the crepes. You're not adding any butter. You're not adding anything else. I am completely done with all the crepes. And now I am ready to start preparing the filling. Look how thin they are, how flexible they are. This cake just really comes out amazing and really light, really soft, really moist. Here I have 1 Philadelphia cream cheese, sugar, and a drop of the vanilla paste. I'm just gonna mix it until everything is nice and incorporated. And now I am ready to add the whipped cream. I'm adding 2 cups of the whipped cream. It needs to be nice and cold. Now I'm just gonna mix it until I have nice peaks. And that really takes about 3 to 4 minutes. This is now completely done. My home smells delicious. It smells like vanilla. And let me taste. This is amazing. This is ready. Now I'm getting everything ready because I'm going to start assembling my crepe cake. Look at this. I'm going to add one at a time, and I'm going to be very generous adding the filling. I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of the filling, and I'm going to continue doing the same procedure until I am completely done. This really comes out amazing. I know that it's time consuming, but when you finish and you enjoy a slice of crepe cake, you're going to say it was totally worth it. Here I'm almost done. I am done now. And look at this. You could leave it just like that. Add some decoration on the top. You decide. But what I want to do is cover it completely from the sides and from the top. And for that, I'm adding whipping cream to cover it completely. I have it already whipped, and I added about 1 to 2 cups of just whipping cream. I'm going to cover it from the top, from the sides. And you know, if I could do a crepe cake, you could do it at home too. You have the step-by-step on how to make this delicious and amazing cake. It's not too heavy. When you're eating it, it's just amazing. I'm adding a little bit of decoration on the top and on the center, and now I am ready to slice my organic dragon fruit. This one came out really small. I think this is the last one for this year, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add a piece whole, just like that, for the decoration. I am ready for the presentation, and you know something? I can't wait to slice it and see how it's going to look from the inside. It looks amazing. My family loved this crepe cake. Look at this. I am ready to slice it, and let's reveal how it's going to look from the inside. Amazing. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a little bit because I can't wait to taste. Dragon fruit crepe cake, perfect for the holidays. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. It's really tender from the inside, but yet it's not sugary. The flavor of the dragon fruit, just amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it for this holidays.
Surprise your family with a delicious and amazing cake made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious crepe cake of dragon fruit, of course. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.